In Module 12, we will be installing the moisture-resistant strips and pan skirts. The 1/4 inch moisture-resistant pieces included in your Synthesis Porcelain Shower Surround Kit are to be used as backer pieces at the front of the shower to provide suitable attachment for shower doors. These pieces are to be attached to the doubled 2x4 wall studs on each side of the opening and behind the front edges of the Synthesis wall panels. Place one of the 48-inch by 2-inch by 1/4 inch moisture-resistant pieces vertically on one side of the opening against the doubled 2x4 wall studs and resting on the flanned water dam of your shower pan. Attach the moisture-resistant parts using the provided 1 1/4 inch cement board screws. Use 6 screws per piece in an alternating pattern, placing 2 screws each at the top, middle, and bottom of the piece. Place another moisture-resistant piece vertically on top of the piece that was just installed. If necessary, trim the length of the piece to fit your installation. Attach this second moisture-resistant piece using the provided 1 1/4 inch cement board screws in the same quantity and pattern as noted above. Using the same steps and methodology, repeat this process to install 2 moisture-resistant pieces on the opposite side of the shower opening. Installation of the pan skirts. Start by installing the shower pan skirt on the back wall. Place a heavy bead of clear sealant on the bottom edge of the moisture-resistant shower pan skirt. Place the shower pan skirt horizontally on top of the shower pan flange and attach the skirt to the wall studs using 2 rows of the provided screws on each stud, one at the top of the skirt and one at the bottom. Install the shower pan skirts on the left and right return walls using the same steps and methodology as above, but trimming them to fit between the 1/4 inch moisture-resistant strip and the back wall pan skirt. Add a heavy bead of clear sealant on the back edge of the skirt where it abuts the pan skirt on the back wall.